Hello and welcome to another episode of Info for You. Today, we will be discussing the ongoing conflict in Ukraine and its impact on the world. Before going on, subscribe our channel Info for You and press the bell icon for new updates. The conflict in Ukraine began in 2014, when the Ukrainian government was overthrown following protests against the government's decision to delay signing an agreement with the European Union. Russian-backed separatists then took control of the Ukrainian region of Crimea and declared independence. This was followed by a war between Ukrainian forces and pro-Russian separatists in the eastern regions of Donetsk and Luhansk. The conflict has had a devastating impact on the Ukrainian people. Over 13,000 people have lost their lives and more than 1.5 million people have been displaced. The war has also had a profound impact on the country's economy, with many businesses destroyed and millions of people losing their livelihoods. The conflict in Ukraine has had far-reaching consequences for the region as a whole. The war has led to a major increase in military spending by both Ukraine and Russia, putting a strain on their economies. The conflict has also led to increased tensions between Russia and the West, with many Western countries imposing economic sanctions on Russia in response to its actions in Ukraine. The conflict in Ukraine has had a significant impact on the world, particularly in terms of global security. The war has heightened tensions between Russia and the West and has contributed to a growing sense of instability in the region. The conflict has also led to a major increase in arms sales, as both Ukraine and Russia seek to equip their military forces. In conclusion, the conflict in Ukraine continues to have a profound impact on the country, the region, and the world as a whole. The war has caused widespread suffering, destabilized the region, and heightened tensions between Russia and the West. It is crucial that the international community works together to find a peaceful solution to the conflict, in order to bring an end to the suffering of the Ukrainian people and to promote stability in the region. That concludes today's episode of. Thank you for watching and join us next time for more in-depth discussions on the world's most pressing issues. Subscribe our channel Info for You and press the bell icon for new updates.